Hello there guys, so this weekend I've taken a look at my nest boxes. No chicks so far, lots of eggs though. I just want to show you guys how my birds are doing at the moment. So hopefully from now on I'm going to do a lot more videos, more regular. Hopefully we'll get some chicks sometime soon. So now got 12 nest boxes in the main aviary. They're all up and running, they're all settled down. A few squabbles. No real problem so far, same for the top aviary, so it's all going very smoothly. So here are the budgies at the top aviary where I first put the boxes up. Been up about 4 weeks now. So lots of eggs, but no chicks up here. And I'll give you a little, I'll show you inside some of the boxes in a sec. So here we are, quite a few weeks later. Doing an egg check. 3 eggs in this one. Eggs in that one. She won't let me see, will ya? No. Okay, she won't let me see. Okay, 2 eggs in that one. Let's just do a quick look at the main shelter for the budgies in the main aviary with the 3 boxes in there. And today the budgies are quite lucky. Gave them a treat of lettuce, broccoli and carrots in the bottom and top aviary. So here they are getting stuck in. So the top aviary has had their boxes up for about 4 weeks now. The main aviary, they're about 2 weeks behind. No real reason for that, just a lack of time, because you have to do it first thing in the morning so they all settle down. So now all the boxes up in all the aviaries, and as you can see they're settled already in the main aviary. No eggs yet, of course, too early.
Look at the colours on him.
It's my favourite one. So there we are, guys. All the budgies happy. One's in the top aviary, all the nests just about. I think there's one spare, but they've all got eggs. So hopefully I have chicks soon. I'm going to do more videos and updates soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Look at the colours on him.
It's my favourite one.